If you want to see all the Discord servers you've joined, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. This is really helpful if you want to find old servers, check which communities you're still in, or just manage your Discord account a little better. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord on your computer or browser and look down to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see the user settings gear icon right next to your profile area. Click that gear icon to open your Discord settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Activity Piracy. Click on that option to open the activity-related settings. Now keep scrolling down through the page until you reach the section called My Servers. This is the part you're looking for. Under My Servers, Discord will show you all of the servers you've joined. You can browse through the full list from here and quickly see every server connected to your account. If you are looking for a specific server, this is the easiest place to check without having to search through all your messages or server icons manually. And that's it. Now you know how to see all joined servers on Discord. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.